In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bilingual table within a Microsoft Word document. This can be incredibly helpful if you're working with documents that need to be accessible in multiple languages, such as educational materials or resource guides. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure that your Microsoft Word file is open and you have a two-column table ready to work with. A simple two-column table is ideal for presenting text in two languages side by side, which is great for clarity and ease of comparison. If you haven't already set up your table, go ahead and insert one now. Simply click on Insert, then Table, and choose a two-column format. Once your table is set up, begin by entering the text you want to translate in the first column. This could be anything from words, phrases, to entire sentences, depending on your specific needs. Once you have your list of words or phrases typed out in the first column, we'll move on to translation. Now we'll use Google Translate for translation purposes. Open your web browser and head over to Google Translate. You can access this easily by searching for Google Translate in your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll type the text from your first column into the input box of Google Translate. In this example, we'll be translating the text into Spanish, but you can choose any language you require from the drop-down menu. After Google Translate has provided you with the translated text, go ahead and copy it. Then return to your Word document and paste the translation into the corresponding cell in the second column. Continue this process for each entry in your table until all text has been translated and inputted. Now, to ensure that your document recognizes the language you have translated into for editing and spell check purposes, we need to set the proofing language. This involves clicking on the Review tab at the top of your Word document. Once there, you should see an option labeled Language. Click on it, then select Set Proofing Language. A dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you'll see a list of languages. Scroll through until you find the language you're working with. In our example, Spanish, Mexico. Click on your desired language, then hit OK. This step is crucial if you want Microsoft Word to provide proper spelling and grammar suggestions for the translated text. And that's it. You've completed the process. You now have a bilingual table with text presented in two languages of your choice, complete with set proofing capabilities to aid in accuracy and readability. This method is not only efficient, but also allows you to maintain a professional standard in multilingual document creation. I hope you find this guide helpful in your future projects. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.